Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Ed from Perfetto Realty again. It's a beautiful spring day here in North Carolina. Wanted to just catch you up on a couple things, give you a little bit of information that I gathered. My mistakes hopefully won't be yours. So, just some progress, a little bit of progress. I'm taking this really slow, and I have a life. So, I'll try to provide what I can. But you can see my little text project here. I think this is walnut. I'm not even sure. Anyway, I put my mom's name on there, and you can see somehow I got a little spot under the L, but it actually cut nice. And I squared it up. I'll probably put a magnet or a little sticker on there. She'll love it. Anyway, progress to my tray. And I made a video before when I was hopping all over the place. My ADD just all over. Anyway, I'm going to try to avoid that today. You see I did this with a ball nose with a 0.4 step over. So I got lots of grooves. I used the ball nose because that's what the SVG file called for when I loaded it. I would have used a flat, just you get to dictate what you use. So, and it also took forever. I'm not even sure why, but it took literally hours to pass. And I know I can change it, you can change it, the depth of pass, but I wanted to let it roll. I'm not there where I can start editing G code yet. So, let me, I got this MDF, let's go ahead and let it roll. And it did. Well, lesson number one, don't close your laptop while your machine is running, because it immediately basically paused and canceled the project, the carve. So I was stuck then, having to restart it. Well, nothing had moved as far as the piece, so I just started it over, and it's cutting air and it's going through its gyrations, and I'm just gonna let it go, and eventually, and it was so close too. So eventually it'll get there. I did not know how to fast forward it to the point where it's starting to hog out again. But obviously I need a bowl and tray bit for this. Probably take 10 minutes. So I went ahead and bought one. Bought three actually, three different widths. So I'm gonna try it on another waste piece and see how that works. I'd like to have these rounded. So that's something else I think in the file that might need to be changed, or maybe the finishing bit. I'm not sure. Might need a little I don't know, probably a 16th round over bit. But another lesson was always preview your SVG file. When you pop it into easel or whatever software you're using, you should be able to preview the path, the tool path. So this path is the path. You can't really do much about it. You can speed it up with a different depth, and obviously pretty it up with a flat nose. But what was interesting is on the profile, it was like a sewing bobber or a scroll saw. It was just bobbing up and down, and taking forever. It actually, the bit that it called for was too big, and it was cutting into the tray. So preview, had I previewed it, I would have seen this bobber action and realized how long it was going to take. So always preview your file so you can see your tool paths in action. Because this should have taken maybe 2-3 passes and been done and been cut out. So this was a fail. We're gonna put this in the burn pile, but we win or we learn, as we say. So we learned a lot here. Get yourself some bowl and tray bits, and preview your tool paths. Okay, and those are my two lessons for you today: preview and analyze. After that, we'll see what the next project brings us. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, if you will, and we'll see you on the next project. Bye.